welcome to Classy Claws, another video. Today's is, do you know what, I don't even know what today's was really, but what I've decided to do is put a little photograph of everything that I've used, otherwise, because I forget, my memory is so terrible. So have a look on the video and then you can see what I've used. All CJP. I think we've got rose, tea rose, magenta, we've got ultraviolet, we've got some glitter arty netting, we've got some decals that I got from somewhere once upon a time, I don't know where. We've got some silver angel wings. There's all sorts going on today. I just grabbed a pile of stuff, chucked it on my desk and then thought, right, I'll have a go. I've turned my camera around as well. I'm not sure if this is any better or worse than where it was before. I've kind of got it overhead. This is on my new phone, so hopefully there's better quality. So we'll see how we go with it. What else? I told you I've got a new hand dolly coming in I think it's a month delivery. I think it's 2 weeks to make it and then delivery after that. So, and with everything being backlogged and what have you, so I'm going to have to wait a month and just use my flexi hand until then. Have a little look through the video, see what you think. This really was not one of my best ones. I think it was a little bit rushed, to be honest, but I just wanted to use some different colours. I might do a nice, I want to do a white and pink French maybe next, do some nice white tips, I don't know. Lots of ideas, lots to do. I will see you all in my next one. Alright, speak to you soon. Bye. bye.